Okay. Okay,
Hi,
so
Isha.
yo, what's up? Welcome to the podcast, bro. Okay, so before we start, you're probably the first guest on this podcast. So how do you feel?
I've never felt so good in my entire life. This is all I've been waiting for my entire existence.
Also, I'm making it very clear I've not paid you to say this. So this is real, authentic.
I am not going to confirm, deny. So
Okay, cool. So this is probably the third video call we've had to test everything out. So firstly, I would like to
yeah,
ask you, how's
Ishan is very bad at technology.
yeah, okay, whatever. How's your quarantine going? How's everything?
So it's pretty good.
Okay.
In the morning, I wake up and the first thing I do is jadu pocha, and it's fun that way. I mean, it's you know mentally. Please cut this.
I'm not cutting. I'm not gonna cut shit. Yeah, I'm
It's
being very honest with you.
you
With
have
everything's gonna go
you
on
have to
YouTube.
cut this.
No, bro, that's the deal. I'm
You
gonna.
can't do this to me, Ishan.
Yeah, okay, sorry. Okay, my 93 subscribers are gonna get offended by the word that you just said. Okay.
What did I just say?
I don't know. I can't say that. Okay, there are kids watching me and moms potentially.
Yeah, right.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's fun that way. Jadu pocha bartan life.
Hmm.
And I'm pretty sure that if I don't achieve anything in life, I can be a very professional maid. That's for sure.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, nahi, but dude, this is the thing, man. People underestimate so much. Doing the ghar ka kaam also is such a task. Honestly,
Yeah, I know.
my hands have become I've spoken to you about this. They've literally become aisa, someone has burnt them because of the reaction to the soap. Because my skin is sensitive. It
I cut
literally.
my finger yesterday.
How?
So basically, I was washing the utensils and then I was
Were
washing
you
this
feeling
knife.
sad? Were you feeling sad?
No, my mom scolded me. So she was like, "Tere ko bartan nahi dhona, tujhe janbujh ke kiya." I was like, "Why would I cut myself just
Yeah,
because I don't want to wash something?"
I mean,
Yeah.
okay. So, okay, so that got kind of dark, but okay. So, what does your typical day consist of? Like a run through of your day during this time? Like, what all do you do?
So I told you the
The
basics
jhadu
like
pocha,
jhadu pocha
obviously. Yeah.
bartan.
Yeah. Hmm.
Then I try doing something productive, like I try watching a documentary or I try to listen to a podcast. जो इतना हो नहीं पाता. I just
Okay.
binge watch shows which are giving me a little bit of life.
So,
So
could you?
wo
Okay, so shows. Okay, shows.
and
What kind of shows do you binge watch?
I recently started with Prison Break. I finished with the first season.
How is
It's
it?
like a really good show. I didn't expect it to be so good.
Yeah.
So there were 22 episodes in the first season, and I finished them within 4 days. You know how I binge watch, so
Yeah.
I'm not gonna comment on that.
Why watch it around 7? You can watch everything except.
Yeah. Then I even watched this sitcom called Schitt's Creek. It's a very good underrated show. You should definitely watch it. It was
Nice.
really good. Yeah.
Nice, dude. So basically, your day consists of, from what I've understood, is doing the helping around the household and then watching something. Uh, so what obviously all of us are realizing stuff going out was such a privilege. But what is something that you've noticed because of this lockdown that you didn't notice pele, or you didn't pay attention to per se, the small things, anything, something like that that might come to your mind.
Um, like when you I mean, this is a very vague thing to say, but when you clean your house yourself, you realize that there is much to do. Even if I am doing the simple task of brooming, I realize I have to dust later. No one tells me to do those things. It's
Mm-hmm.
just I feel this is more of a house now that everyone is staying in here 24/7.
Yeah.
And you realize that the maids didn't do such a good job, like the house help that used to come.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Oh,
like obviously like I really love my maid and all because I have to, but like
especially
when you
especially at
do
this point.
yeah, I just felt like calling her up that day. I was like, Auntie, वापस आ जाओ, please. बहुत याद आ रहा है आपका.
बहुत याद आ रहा है. Exactly. Dude, like, okay, so खुद से I've noticed this thing, like, when you clean your room and if it is like dirty or something, you feel kind of good about yourself, like throwing that kachra away and then you don't see that kachra anymore. So I don't know if that's the case with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, obviously
No,
everyone.
yeah, it actually helps. It actually helps you clear up your mind and everything also.
Exactly. Yeah, man. Also, what is so before getting to when this will end, what is the first thing that you're going to do when this ends? Which is whenever. I have no idea. Like the first thing.
See, I'm definitely gonna be paranoid for a year at least. I'm not gonna be like going out and eating and everything. Like, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं, I'm just like, do you really think you're gonna be able to do that for like a year? Like, just go
Mm-hmm.
out to a restaurant, casually eat, meet people.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to meet my friends. I mean, I consider you as a friend, so I mean,
Oh,
I might
okay.
meet you as well. So
Okay.
like, I just want to meet and chill at a person's house. Definitely not my house because I can't
Yeah, yeah,
anymore.
yeah. Exactly.
So yeah, I just want to meet my friends. That's all I want to do because I'm so tired of seeing the four same faces every day. I just feel like
Exactly,
I'll
dude.
stab someone. It's just
Yeah,
so
man.
annoying.
Like this is what I've understood ke the people who are like a part of like the big boss ka like big boss, those guys don't even have the internet going for them. So I can understand why they act out. Like
But you do know that it's scripted, right?
but I wouldn't hold it against them that they want to say all that shit just because they're done with the people they're living with.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and family's a handful any which ways. So, okay. So personally, when do you think this is gonna end? Like, if you had like, SR to make a guess.
Agar
Not.
realistically, if I tell you, I think by July, at least thoda everything will start. Drastically, the kuch nahi wala.
Mm-hmm.
And by June 15, 20, I think, the regular offices ka thoda bahut strength will start. And
Okay.
yeah, tab tak thoda to khulna hi chahiye. Otherwise, the economy is anyway collapsing. So like,
Yeah, that's there. So June or July. Yeah, dude. Actually, I mean, I wanted to get over tomorrow for separate reasons, but yeah, man. Like, I think June, July should be a realistic timeline. Or anyway.
yeah.
So during this time, what is the one thing that you've done, or like not one thing specifically, like a bunch of things that you've done that you usually don't do?
So yesterday, you told me to start working out.
Did you
And I
work
was
out?
like,
Did you actually work out?
yes, I did.
Nice.
I tried to do pull-ups and everything. I couldn't even do one pull-up. I was like,
Everyone's been
ho
there.
hi nahi
Like, I can't do pull-ups.
raha. Held my legs and then he was like, he held my legs and then he helped me do the pull-ups. So like I did 3-4 pull-ups also.
Nice. So there's like good amount of sibling bonding going on.
I would not comment on that at all.
But like, yeah, dude, it is what it is. Like, you guys are getting along and stuff. So, because of you being stuck at your house for like almost 3 months, after everything
Yeah.
is like normal, what do you think being stuck at your house or this whole situation, if any, have a change on you? Like, will it have a change on you? And if it does have a change, what is it gonna be?
So like I really think like the consumer behavior is going to change. Like the amount of times we used to go out
Mm-hmm.
during like, every second day we will be going to like Prithvi or McDonald's or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't think people will be so willing to go out like at least for a year. So I saw this video,
Mm-hmm.
like he was an expert talking on this topic, and he was like, the companies like what they had to do pehle, the kind of marketing strategies and the amount of things that they had to do pehle, they'll have to do everything from scratch because within like 5 months, everyone's mindset has changed because pehle you feel hungry, you order from Swiggy. Now
Yeah,
we won't do that. You'll be like, I'll make it at home.
exactly.
That is like very different. It's like
Okay.
that is going to change for sure. Like if I want coffee, we used to go to McDonald's, we used to go to Starbucks.
Mhm.
Now I'm like, I can make such a good cappuccino. It's just like crazy. I'm like, Starbucks.
So I asked you this question on Twitter also. What do you think about the Dalgona coffee?
Um, so like I told you, I did it before it was cool.
I
I
don't
mean,
like that shit. I don't like that shit. That is.
initially I just saw it on 2-3 people's story. I was like, okay, this
Mhm.
might be something. Then within a day, everybody started posting about it. I was like, this is
Exactly.
crazy.
And bro, like it is so much sugar, and it is, I don't know, man. I don't like that coffee one bit. I think it's a disgrace to coffee, and I would never do that to my mom.
I know. Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, that's what she said, obviously. Also, one more thing that I would like to ask: do you think people are gonna appreciate things more after this is done? Like the basic things, like having the ability to go out and like having the ability to just go out, not even like for like to party or like to eat, just to go out for a walk, and simple things like that. Do you think people are gonna appreciate it more?
Yeah, I mean, people will appreciate it for like a certain amount of, like, human beings are ungrateful creatures. So like, thode time baad pe everybody is everybody's going to stay the same.
Okay.
Like it's just a matter of like 4-5 months. After that, people are just going to like bullshit
Yeah,
the way
yeah,
they
yeah,
used to.
yeah. Exactly, dude. Like, it's like, yeah, I think I relate with this, because starting में when you don't have something with you, or like the particular thing, and then you get it, you start devaluing that shit, man. So I think that's the same thing that's gonna happen with people.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, bro. And yeah, that is it. That's all the questions that I had for you. So if you have anything else to say, the platform is all yours. Not a platform really, but okay.
Platform. Oh, how
Uh,
like
Another question. Do
I
you
just
think do you think I'm gonna get, so I'm like 7 subscribers away from 100 subscribers? When do you think that's gonna happen?
I mean, like I'm on your channel now. So like you don't know, it might just double or something.
Yeah, people are just gonna start unsubscribing or something now.
And yet I'm the first guest on your channel. So like,
Yeah, man. Like, this was supposed to happen a long time back. So like, this is a long time coming.
yeah. You promised me this, like I was like, Ishan, I'm ready to help you out. I want to make a video with you. And like, हाँ bro, we will do
Hey,
it. हाँ करते हैं.
okay, एक minute, ठीक है? I
I
told you,
told
ठीक
you
है?
this
नहीं, नहीं,
like
नहीं,
three months ago.
let me be
When you were
honest.
like, when you were not like posting also.
एक minute, ठीक है? Let me be honest. I told you, let's make a podcast together and all that stuff. You were like, huh? And then there was cold feet from your side, ठीक है? So don't tell me, don't put it off on me. Okay, you were like, nahi bro, karte hain and shit.
There is so much lie in those sentences. No, like what to say.
Yeah, so the main question is, when do you think I'm gonna hit 100 subscribers? When do you think that's gonna happen? If it's gonna happen.
See, this year is filled with full of disasters. So maybe this year. Definitely this year.
Yeah, I mean, even I'm hoping that it happens this year, obviously.
I think if you just yell at your subscribers or the potential viewers, subscribe. Because yesterday you yelled at me like, how are you not working out? What are you doing with your life? And all of that. So I was just like, don't. Yeah. So I was just like, just yell at people, they will subscribe to your channel. So it'll be fun that way. I mean, you need to like come up with new tactics. Na subscribe to sabhi bolte hain.
Being nice and all that stuff.
It'll just work.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
just be a bitch.
To the Disha Sangani 2020, just be a bitch. Yeah, bro. I think that is a good first episode with a guest. If you have any SR
The
party,
best guest you could ever have, first of all. Who would say that? Who will acknowledge the fact?
yeah. Okay, I'll let the people who view this later decide.
If they can bear with your face, I'm very
Yeah,
sure they can bear with
exactly,
mine.
dude. Exactly. If anyone can bear with my face, they can obviously bear with your face, and like whoever. Yeah, dude. So, firstly, like, I would really like to thank you for like doing this. Okay, there's like a
Yeah.
very few people who want to be on my podcast for whatever reason. I mean, apparently, I said kick a baby and people got offended. So, whatever.
No, you said that?
Yeah, that was like my first episode. That's how I ended my first episode. Please kick a baby.
I like the tagline. You should keep it as a tagline.
Exactly. Now I'm gonna make merchandise out of it. So that's the that's the plan.
Kurnu, just like make up merchandise with your face.
Oh, acha. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that is very kickable. Like, yeah, dude. I'll just write this down. So thanks for giving me ideas and stuff for merchandise. So
Always.
yeah, dude, this was actually really fun talking to you. Uh, and thank you for coming on and being the first guest ever. Like, this is the one thing that no one can take away from you. Like anything else, you can be second to something, but it's me. You'll be like the first guest.
I mean, thank you, Ishan. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't even know. I'm out of words.
So yeah, that is it for me and Disha today for this podcast. Genuinely, thank you for
Yeah.
being on. And yeah, subscribe for my to my YouTube channel for more videos and like more guests like this. If anyone has a
Even
problem,
if you don't want to, you have to. Otherwise, Ishan is gonna yell at you.
okay, then let's do this in person. Hopefully soon. And
Yeah.
okay, thank you so much for being on. And I'll let you know when this video goes up. Okay, bye.
Cool. Bye.